What's going on, guys? We got a Ford Mustang GT right in front of us right here. We're going to be doing the Rare Jade Pearl. We have done 6 coats of matte black as the base, 6 coats. We went through about 1.5 gallons only, maybe a little bit over 1.5 gallons, but we still have a ton remaining. This is a soft top, so keep that in mind as well, convertible soft top. So it's less we have to paint. Coming back to this though, we are going to be starting on the Rare Jade Pearl. We're going to be mixing 50 grams of Rare Jade Pearl into our high gloss pearl finishing clear right here. Low volume, this is California, so it is emissions, you know, etc. Blah, blah, blah. We're going to be using our drill and obviously stirring it up with our drill that comes in the kit. And we're going to be adding again per 1 gallon, 50 grams. We have 4 bags of 25 grams in each bag. We're going to be adding 2 bags, so 50 grams total to 1 gallon right here. Stirring that up, putting it in the gun, and of course cleaning the gun from the black to now the Rare Jade Pearl. So the gun is cleaned and we're ready to go on the Rare Jade Pearl now. So let's go ahead and begin that process and we'll go move forward from there. Again, we got each bag is 25 grams. We're going to go ahead and drop in 25 grams inside while we're stirring. Grab the other one, drop it in. A little bit tricky with the camera work, so you're probably only going to see me do 1, but you're going to begin 2 of these bags in here while you're stirring it. Let's go ahead and begin here. And we're going to do 2 bags of that. Blend it up really nicely. My mixer's all the way at the bottom of the can.
There's a limit to your love. There's a limit to your love.
Alright guys, we got the first coat on of 5 coats. We might go 6 if needs be, if we need more full coverage. But again, you can still obviously see black through it. This is exactly what you want. Put a nice foundation on there, and then you want to keep adding to it. So again, we're going to be going coat 2 up to 5. We're going to see what it looks like after 5. And then if needs be, we'll go 6, but probably 5 is totally fine. Now when you first give the gun a squirt, you want a nice, again, a nice about, I'd go about maybe 6 inches or so up, straight on. Make sure your gun is clean, of course. And then just like we saw, you're gonna go ahead and wave it down like this, as in spraying it on, and then coming down 50% like this, coming down 50% of that line, and then getting it on like that all the way down, all the way around. It's looking great. Let's continue forward. Ladies and gentlemen, there she is, the Rare Jade Pearl in its famous glory, my friends. Paint job turned out absolutely amazing. Check out the sparkles. Hopefully the camera is picking up the color pearl sparkles in there. I'm hoping it is. It's kind of bright out here, but I'm pretty sure you can see the sparkles going there. Looking absolutely fantastic. We left the gas cap nice matte black here, looking fantastic. Again, Rare Jade Pearl. There we go. Look at that glisten. Look at that glisten right here. Great overall paint job, guys. Very, very nice. One thing to keep in mind, ladies and gentlemen, when you are doing your paint job, just make sure you take your sweet time and mask everything off appropriately and do wet peels where wet peels need to be done. Of course, the stripes need to be wet when you peel that tape off. Just make sure you peel it very slowly and generously. We got the stripes here. We got the hood scoop here. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. Rare Jade Pearl. That will be linked in the description box below. Beautiful, beautiful paint job. I definitely recommend the spray gun as well. Did a great job. Evenly, beautifully. Looks great. Looks absolutely great right here. Ladies and gentlemen, here's the proud owner right here. Nate Dogg the Great. Nate the Great, baby. Ladies and gentlemen. Anyway, awesome, awesome color. Definitely highly recommend it. Rare Jade Pearl, folks.